How's everyone doing today? This is Brent from Adventure Time RC again. Now I got an unboxing for us. We're doing the 1/18 scale Hailstorm. I believe it's this Haiboxing, which I believe the abbreviation is HBX. And this is a four-wheel drive. And it says it's for ages 14 and up, and that it's hobby grade, beastly power. 2.4 gigahertz. Says, I believe, oil-filled shocks. Well, we'll have to see, or qualified shocks. Either way, we'll have to see when we open it up, see what it is. And it looks like I got a 390 motor, ready to run. Says it's waterproof. Let's get it out of the box and have a look at it. I've seen a few videos on these, and they seem like they're quick little trucks. Alright, so it's in the box. That's a decently thick manual. Like it's got exploded views and a whole lot of literature in there. Oh, some stickers. That's cool. Let's see, how's this guy attached? Got some plastic clippers over here. Alright, there's the car. And I'll rip this open here. Radio. Battery. I believe this model comes with 2 batteries. Spoiler. Like a USB charger. And some other junk. Alright. Well, let's have a look at the vehicle itself. Fully charge the car battery. Okay, just telling you charge the batteries before use. I'll tell you warnings, the motor's hot. Other good driving tips. Get right to open it up here. I can never grab these little things. I'll bend them up a little bit further before I put them back in. Alright, got a nice little pre-painted Lexan shell. Looks like it already has 1 battery installed in the truck to get that charged up. And I like that. That's just an actual normal basic red JST connector. That means I can charge that easily with my hobby grade chargers without having to do very much to the connectors. Heat sink on the motor. It looks like the receiver and ESC is all built into one. That silicone cap over your on and off button, that helps with your waterproofing for sure. Got a steel center drive shaft. Okay, those are not oil filled. Those are just pogo stick shocks. Well, not too bad though. And this is what I noticed right off the bat when I grabbed it. Foam-filled tires. And that's pretty good out of a little thing like that. You don't normally expect to see that when you buy one of these smaller trucks. They're normally not foam-filled. And it looks to be pretty decent quality all the way around. Simple, easy construction. Looks like you just have a U-pin to pull out. You'd probably just take off your front bumper and slide that pin out. And you can pull both your A-arms off. It does have plastic differential cups, though. I would like to have seen those in steel. Alright, see what else it comes with. Alright, so these batteries, let's look and see if we can find out what milliamp hour they are and everything. see, a 650 milliamp hour battery. I don't know what the C rating is on them. That's really nice they gave you two. Oh, we got the spoiler here. That's made out of feels a nice flexible plastic. That'll definitely cut down on breakage. And it just came with a couple little screws to put it in with. And I give you the screwdriver to install it. And it also does include a spare set of keys and USB charger. It's a plastic radio. The radio is nothing special. It has looks like slow and normal, so it looks like maybe it has two modes. And then it's got a steering reverse and your steering trim on the side, like standard AA batteries. All in all, I don't think it's going to be too bad. It's probably going to be a pretty fun little one to run. Now on the waterproofing, they give a diagram. I saw that on the description when I bought it. It says that they recommend you only take it up to around here on the water. Don't fully submerge it. But that's probably going to end up getting fully submerged. That happens to a lot of mine. But okay, guys. I'm going to put a description or a link for this guy down in the description. I got it from Amazon, right around 80 bucks. And I think it's right along the same lines as like the WL Toys 979 and 959, all those ones. I'll probably actually do some videos comparing it to those. But I think it's going to be an alright car. I mean, anytime you can get a four-wheel drive waterproof vehicle that comes with two batteries for under 100 bucks, it's really hard to find a fault with it unless it's just terrible. But from what I've seen from other videos, these seem like they're going to be pretty good. I'm pretty excited to take it out and test it out. Alright guys, I'll leave that link for you, and thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the run video. We'll probably have that up in the next few days or so. Alright, have a good one, guys.